My name's Noel Hutchinson and I'm the school principal of Get Lost Powerboat Training. We're often being told that we have one of the best classroom setups for RYA training that you can get. That's not us that says that, we're very kindly complimented by people that come and visit, and we're really happy about that. But that got us thinking, if we've got one of the best spaces, how can we embellish your RYA Day Skipper Theory course and make it one of the best theory course experiences you can get? So let me go downstairs and I'll show you what we've come up with. So this is our Yachtmaster and Day Skipper Theory classroom space. And as you can see, it's a nice bright space, which is a great start. And then from there, we wanted to think, how can we add the value for you? So wherever you go for a theory course, the RYA mandate a maximum instructor to student ratio. And on Yachtmaster and Day Skipper Theory courses, it's 12 students to 1 instructor. And we could easily fit 12 people in here, but we don't. And that's the first decision we took to try and add value for you. We limit these theory courses to 9 people. Not 5, 9 people. And that means it's 25% less students. That means 25% more time from the instructor for you, because we've taught this stuff for 23 years and we know that people learn at different paces and all that sort of stuff. And sometimes people can get left behind, and trying to catch up a room with 12 people can be hard. But catching up a room with 9 people with that extra time capacity is really good and just a huge benefit for you. So that's the first decision we took. Then we wanted to make sure that you could just walk in here in just what you're wearing. Don't need to bring anything, and you're in a brilliant, immersive, bright learning environment with everything you need. So wherever you go for a Day Skipper Theory course, the RYA will produce a study pack. In the study pack, you'll get an exercise book, you'll get a textbook, and you'll get a couple of training charts as well. What people tend to forget, I didn't bring a pen. I didn't bring a pencil, I didn't know we were going to be drawing on a chart. I didn't bring a notebook, I haven't got any paper. All that annoying stuff that we've all had in meetings and things like that before. So we provide a really nice notebook, so you can keep all your navigation notes in one place, and a pen and pencil that's going to last you throughout the course and beyond. After we thought about the stationery problem, Emily, who's on the team, she turned around and said, that's not strictly true, Noel, is it? If you can't just walk in and get on with the course if you can't eat and drink. So we added that in as well. So we've obviously got a kitchen, tea and coffee making facilities, but we give you a free lunch every day. It's a really nice quality buffet lunch that gets delivered every morning. So that means you literally can just walk in what you're wearing. You've got everything you need to focus on the learning, which is why you're here at the end of the day. Then with the teaching experience that we've all had here, as I say, we've been doing this a really long time. We know the pain points that students suffer from, and we know where things get hard and what puts the pressure on during the 5 days. So it's quite an intense course. And there's a lot of memory stuff to learn. For example, we need to know the different light configurations on different boats. We need to learn buoys. We need to learn the lights on buoys. We need to learn sound signals. We need to learn collision regulations. And it's just a whole lot of memory test stuff, really. And if you can get ahead on that before you come here, wow, it takes the pressure off. You've got to trust me on that. It makes a big difference. So we produce something that's unique to us, and it's unique to us because we made them. And we give you this set of knowledge cards. There's quite a few in the series. And when you book, these will come out to you in first class post. So you'll get them pretty quickly. And you'll also get some instructions on what to focus on, so that you know a lot of the stuff before you arrive. And that means we can focus in the classroom on the bits we need the classroom for, which is plotting on charts and learning how to do tides and that sort of thing. So that makes a huge difference. Then we have a YouTube channel, which is massive. And the videos on there aren't going to win us Oscars or BAFTAs or anything like that, but they are a brilliant resource for you to revise from. So Knowledge Cards, YouTube, brilliant value add. They're going to help you beyond your theory course as well, because when you go off from here, you're going to do a practical Day Skipper sail or a practical Day Skipper motor. And on those courses, to get the completion certificates and the ICCs so you can drive boats on holiday, which is what this is all about, you need to have that stuff really on point. So our revision aids are really going to help you throughout your courses and beyond, probably. And then the next thing we've done to try and add a bit more spice to it is we've all been in those places with work and death by PowerPoint. Horrible, isn't it? Like, oh God, don't want to do that again. So we've tried to add in a whole load of different teaching aids and study aids to get you up out of your chairs and moving about, get the blood flowing so that we can do fun things and it's not all just PowerPoint slides and boredom. So we really bring it to life. And that's everything we've done to try and make it really good experience for you. We've got a great classroom. We've done it so that you can turn up and we've got everything you need so you can just walk in what you're wearing. We give you a damn good free lunch every day. We give you a head start on the course by sending you our knowledge cards in the post. We've got our YouTube channel so that you can revise and look after yourself and your boating knowledge way beyond coming to us. And then one of the team said, come on Noel, what else can we do? How can we add some more value? Oh God. Okay, so we thought about it, and we know from teaching and being on the water for a long time, like I said, over 2 decades for me, how important first aid is when you're on the water. And we also know in life that it's true that not all of us go off and do a first aid course because it's time and money, isn't it? All that sort of stuff. So we give you the option to have a free one. If you come here for any theory course, you can have the option to take a free first aid course. We run them on a Sunday every month. And that's a really, really nice thing to have, and it saves you £100. So that's everything in our Day Skipper Theory offer. Hopefully you can see the thought that's gone into it and how we've tried to put you first and create the value for you when you come along. So we'll see you soon to get qualified and ready for the next step of your adventure.